I'll just find something up.
Hey!
Hey!
Firework!
Good baby, you're a firework!
What's that?
Ryan, he's skittling. Yeah, doesn't like it. Look at the pretty! Oh.
Ooh! Ooh! Ah!
Oh, wow.
Oh, don't shoot!
Yeah, what
Does that live me?
Wow! A gun.
Oh.
Mate, the way it goes.
Yeah.
Something.
Yeah, for the people sleeping, it would give him a pretty big fucking heart attack.
Imagine being in the hospital right now. You definitely get it.
Yeah, yeah, you just give him a bloody heart attack. Ooh.
You right, Fab?
We're just on fire.
Ooh.
That is actually
Yeah, baby.
I'll be done soon.
Probably going to be done within about 5 minutes.
Look at that car.
That's a drone.
Wait. Yeah.
One car.
A drone. Oh no, the government could be spying on us.
Look at this one's car, David.
Yeah, from America. Yeah, which is pretty weird because I don't want the government to know what I'm doing.
It's Area 51.
Yeah, yeah,
Things are planning to come on base.
I'm home where AT lives. Christmas. Ooh.
Mum, you just dropped the answer. Kelly, drop the glasses.
Wow! Wow! Oh, shut up. Everybody cherish the moment.
Okay, I'm recording. I'll probably post this on YouTube. A bomb.
Missile. Sounded better over there.
I know.
That car? Come send your neighbor. You can send me look.
Like I'm just imagining someone doing a live show at the Westbourne Casino, and someone just goes, and that happens, and they're like, "Oh, what the fuck was that? Is someone being in a bomb?"
Oh, look at that.
Hello!
Hello.
Oh, puppy.
Hello.
Oh.
Is it me you're looking for?
Wow.
Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ah.
It's okay, it's
Sorry? Wrong moment.
Oh, that's the gun right there. I actually write with this hand.
It's loud over here.
But I-
It's much louder over there.
Oh yeah, especially for people with heart conditions. Oh, pardon me. Yeah. Bang bang, fucking bang.
Shut
E.T.
Go to Daddy's car. No, this is not Leah. You cannot do your reading. No, it's not. You cannot do it undo this. It's not Leah. Go sit with Dad. Go to Dad.
Yeah, I was watching this robot chicken sketch of the Great Pyramids, and the guy finishes building it and like, for no wonder the land will be named the land of giant boobies, because they're like in a circle, and it's just time phase to the present where it's just triangle, and this kid goes, ah, look at giant boobies. The kid just, and the mother just slaps his son and says, don't be an idiot.
No. Not yet. Boom boom!
Yeah, it's come to the end. So.
Some people say the moon is flat. Like, they're just idiots. People who say that.
Imagine wearing 3D glasses.
Still laughing at?
Oh mate, that would be bloody brilliant as. If this was a 3D camera, then you can buy your bloody 3D glasses. Just put one and just. I'm in it.
Oh yeah, there's more people setting off fireworks.
I say what?
That thing right there. Oh, that's from the smoke.
Right there.
Oh, look, there's new ones.
Yeah, like the like my friends say, I'm pretty funny.
I'll agree with them.
Yeah. I mean, I'm kind of like Ryan Reynolds or like Robin Williams, because I do a good Mrs. Duff impression. Hello, you in the Duff, are you dear? My name, I put the give it to you, dear. I wish there had been a sequel, but
One of the birds going
be funny, you know, just a bird flying to where exactly the bugs are. Just
or they attach a goose and catch fire. Hey, at least a fish not like it fed.
Yeah.
you're like, I actually did that joke for a sketch show one day I'm planning. You're like, I'm planning on a sketch show one day in the future called the Tommy the Cool Scan Show, where it's just like it should be like it's just me in front of a live audience just doing film reviews, but like that could be an idea, but like for now it just be one of those past sketch shows. Fuck. Like the Man Show, where this one clip of this boy just screaming up to women and say these funny things. And other stuff like Fun Tour with Eric Banner. The name's Poiter. And the Ronnie John half hour show and other sketch shows like that. You know? Whoa!
There you go.
You know what that thing was?